keep it Nomad. Love music, love radio, love Nomad. Keep it locked, keep it Nomad. Keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
markaan doonaya inaan dhageysto muusiga ugu wada fiican iyo heesooyinkii hadalka waxaan dhageystaa Nomad Radio.
Keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
Hi, my name is Nomand. I'm a presenter on Nomad Radio. I've been working at Nomad Radio for over a year. Nomad has given Somalis a platform to have their say. That's why I'm here. I'd like to thank all the Nomad supporters and fans for keeping us #1. And shout outs to everyone.
Hi, I'm Mariam, a presenter at Nomad Radio. I host a social and current affairs program on Nomad. I believe Nomad Radio gives a voice to the Somali community and allows us to have an unbiased platform to express our views.
Hi, my name is Abby and I'm a producer at Nomad Radio. I've been here for a bit more than a year now and it's lovely to be part of a team that works really hard. I want to take this opportunity to thank our listeners, so keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
Hello, it's Bedell. I'm the football presenter on Nomad Radio's sports show Talk Football. I joined Nomad hoping to cover the first ever World Cup in Africa, and now the relationship seems a lot stronger. Football to me is like what Nelson Mandela once said. Sport can only create hope when there was only despair. I want to thank all the viewers and listeners who tuned into our show. Until then, keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
waa wiilkii qani waxaan ka tirsanahay barnaamijka la yiraahdo qaraami waxaan keenaa fanaaniintii berigii hore waxaan rabaa inaan salaamo dadka oo dhan dhageysto oo telefoonka la soo hadlo waad mahadsantiin kulligiin. Keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
Hello, my name is Bossette. I've been a presenter at Nomad for nearly a year now and I feel like they've accomplished a lot. I'd just like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone, all our listeners, everyone that supported our shows, and all I can say is the future's bright, the future's Nomad.
Hi, my name is Capri. I've been working for Nomad Radio just over 2 years. I just want to say thank you to all the supporters and the listeners that have voted for us and made us #1. But until then, keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
Hi, my name is Fatah. I do the current affairs show. I've been with Nomad for over a year. Nomad gives the Somali community a voice of reasoning and a different outlook. So thanks for all your support. Keep it locked and keep it Nomad.
Hello, السلام عليكم. أنا قاعد على فرحان عبدي وعن كشغل نوماد راديو وعن كهذا برنامج كله يراضو توك فوتبول وعن لتشو جيمك نوماد راديو لح بلاد وعن ربنا السلام ودت كيودن أوصو هذلو إن دقيستو بعد ما سنتين كلين هي إمكاننا keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
Hi there, my name's Miss Mina. I'm the Agony Aunt at Nomad Radio. I believe that my role as an Agony Aunt gives the young community the opportunity to express their problems and find some sort of solutions. I've been at Nomad Radio for about 2 years now. I believe this is what Nomad offers to the community and it's something great. I just want to give a big thank you to all the listeners and all the supporters that, you know, throughout my 2 years have supported me and have emailed in. Thank you very much. Thanks for the award.
Keep it locked, keep it Nomad.
That was a short message from our creative team and our presenters here at Nomad Radio. We would like to extend our gratitude to all our fans and listeners for making us #1. Until later, keep it locked, keep it Nomad. I think more than one person should